I stack cash and I make moves in the fast lane and I break rules. And I put my city on the map, I done earn my stripes and I done pay dues. A verse with me is free, you can get it. Just make sure you got dope shit written. Cause I spit flame with the top of the brain and my pen game is fucking sickening. Waking and baking and vaping, relating and hating. I'm taking and raking the money I'm making, don't know how to save it. I'm slaving and slaving and blazing and blazing. Wasted and faded, I'm shaking and quaking. I'm playing to pay it, you paying to play it. You saying you hate it, we'll have to debate it. They play it and then they replay it. Goddamn, I got no stamina. But I hide that shit for the camera. And even on your best of days, you still can't keep up. I'm dangerous. Game on point, hoes in check. Run my fade if you disrespect. Roll that blunt, grow that plant. Still can't believe I ain't been caught yet. Switch the flow just to let you know that you can get it, bro. I twist the dro in the Optimo and knock them switches, ho. So if you know more than you should know, you need to zip it, bro. Like, how much do you pay for a gram? Get out my business, ho. Trapper Doc is building these bleachers, ain't where the cash is at. About to get like G moving pounds, carts plus dabs and wax. You know it's $20 a gram. Still can't believe you asked me that. There, Alva, I'm done with this beat. Now you can have it back.